If you're considering selling online but don't know where to start, come with me and I'll explain a simple path that many people are using, the so-called marketplace. And no, you don't need to have a store, a website, or be a technology expert. All of this in just 5 minutes. So, let's go. A marketplace is an online platform that brings together several sellers. It's like a virtual mall, where various stores and companies share the same space to showcase their products or services to consumers who access the marketplace. This way, instead of building your online store, you rent a space within a high traffic site such as Amazon, eBay, Shopee, or Alibaba. And this is a way to sell without investing in technology, website development, security, or traffic, among other things. 2. How it works in practice. In short, it works as follows. Consumers access the marketplace. They complete a quick registration. They search for the products they're interested in. They add the chosen products to the virtual cart. They make the payment. And they await the delivery of the products to the selected location, or they can also opt for pickup. And for sellers, from the seller's perspective, you register on the platform with your company and or product information. The marketplace reviews it, and if everything is correct, it approves your access. Afterward, you need to accept the rules of the game: commissions on sales, delivery times, warranties, compliance with laws. Each marketplace has its terms. With your account approved and products registered, they begin to appear in consumer searches alongside products from other sellers. When someone buys something from you, the marketplace notifies you and you need to prepare and send the order within the agreed upon timeframe. The customer makes the payment directly to the marketplace. Only after the delivery is confirmed is the amount passed on to you, with the platform's commission already deducted. It's that simple. However, keep an eye on your reputation. Marketplaces take the rules very seriously because their reputation is also at stake. If you delay orders, provide poor customer service, or miss deadlines, this can lead to negative customer reviews. And yes, these reviews are visible on your profile, which can directly impact your future sales. Therefore, put effort into customer service and shipping to build a good reputation from the start. 3. Advantages of a marketplace for beginners. Instant visibility. You leverage the massive audience of established platforms. No need to start from scratch. It's like putting your store inside a mall with thousands of visitors per day. Low financial risk. Generally, there's no initial investment. You only pay a commission when a sale is made. Ready-made structure. Payments, security, anti-fraud, checkout, marketing, and even logistics are already integrated. For most of the process, you can focus on the product, customer service, and shipping. Credibility. Furthermore, being on well-known sites instills confidence in customers, especially if your brand is still small and not widely recognized. Fast scalability. You can start selling without having to create a website. Lower initial costs. At the same time, there's no investment in a platform or hosting, for example, to create a website. Included marketing. The platforms attract consumer traffic and visits through their campaigns. Additionally, they offer you possibilities to advertise your products within the marketplace itself. You can work on your paid traffic on the platform. Disadvantages. However, you also need to pay close attention to some disadvantages, such as commission on sales. When using marketplaces, your profit margin is reduced due to the fees that platforms charge. Therefore, you need to plan your selling prices very carefully. Fierce competition. Competition is also very strong. Many sellers are competing on price and delivery speed. Difficulty in brand building. Another factor is that your company can't fully explore its brand identity. The marketplace usually has a visual standard that all brands or companies must follow. Platform dependency. You are tied to changes in the platform's rules or fees, which can directly affect your business and strategies. Types of marketplaces. There are many types of marketplaces, but here are the three main ones you need to know. In a nutshell, they are B2C, business to consumer, the most common model, where companies and brands sell directly to consumers. C2C, consumer to consumer, individuals selling to other individuals. That is, consumers themselves sell their products or services directly to other consumers. B2B, business to business, the sale of one business to another business. In this case, there is usually a higher volume of sales and differentiated negotiations. This is the marketplace, practically and concisely. But if you want to know everything you need to understand to start your own business, watch this video that shows exactly that. Click the button above or the link in the description. We hope you enjoyed it, and if you want to know more about how to set up and manage your own business, visit our YouTube channel where we have several videos about this subject. If you liked it, share this video with your friends and family to help them too. Thanks, and see you next time.